So this is my first so this is my first video in the world. So today I'm going to show you how to make a first jet. So please this one so you can have like this. So put your hand like this and then put it like we increase. So when you don't wiggle it up when not big I hit so when you don't for a triangle like it to make it much better. The first triangle like this. Let me try. Okay, I will show. What's crazy? It's not like this. Anyways, okay. So fun and make it the same one. Make it the same one and four like this. Look at the same one. Look at the same one. Repeat the other side. And go like this. Same. So you go like this. Doing it. So make it perfectly, and then repeat other side. When you don't open it up, you can see a triangle is that. Next, right. Like it. And it's my camera. Just play. Okay, I have this. So next, make this. Make this. And make it here the other side. Before I have, and then make it it. So when you next you need to do like this. I'm gonna so when you're done fold it, you can see there's a line on it and fold it and fold like this. And we see the other side, it has four when it shows. So we fold like this, So and make it repeat other side. Make it perfect. And the last C, we did a full radiant. We ready to make two. So fold like this. And then next, you could be the full repeat other side. So we need on for the stickers we come in one minute with a continue. So it was so first if I currently hike our first time I was so 14 like for the still. So if you all just make it like this and maybe other side and then fold out up to nose or top and okay, so 4.5 and make look like this and 4 and 40. What's wrong? We can and then make it on the side. And then you should have to prepare everything. New the word just like that is good. This is the hi. I will see you next tomorrow. I will go again. Bye. I fully remember one.